How's it going, guys? This is Victor with the BOB trading team. So today was another no trade day. As I'm looking at SOPA, it actually had a pretty decent run, but it wasn't for me today. So today was another no trade day. The market usually gets kind of weak around holidays. It can either be really hot or really cold. I feel like Christmas this week is really cold. It wasn't very many great opportunities in my opinion, or for the kind of trade I do, I didn't see many great opportunities. So I was sorry about that. I just wanted to make this video to talk about comparison. I know yesterday I had a no trade day and I seen a few of my friends and some other big traders I follow had some great days. I think Umar had like a 30 or $40,000 day. Ross had like a $20,000 day. I have some friends that had $3,000 and $5,000 days. And a lot of traders get caught up comparing their results to other people's results. And you can't do that because you have to look how long have they been doing it. Like Umar and Ross have over 10 years of experience each. So of course they're better, not even probably, of course they're better traders than you are right now. Like they're some of the best traders in the world. So you can't compare your where you are right now to where they are because they've already gone through what you're going through right now. You're probably struggling with red days. You're probably still emotionally trading, probably not cutting losses. I'm assuming most of the people that watch this YouTube channel are new traders and beginner traders. But don't compare your results to these guys because it'll make you feel bad and it shouldn't. You should look at if you do see them. I do recommend following these guys because they have a lot of education and knowledge that they give away on Instagram and YouTube for free. So I do follow them, but I don't compare my results to Umar's results because I'm not on the same level Umar is yet at trading. He's been doing this for far longer than I have, and he's experienced things that I haven't experienced yet. I was watching a video about him, I think, a couple of days ago, and it said he had, I think his biggest loss was a $200,000 loss, and he didn't get after he took that loss, he didn't give up. Like you have to be a very mentally strong person to lose. I think he said it took like 3 days or something. You have to be a very mentally strong person to lose $200,000 plus in a matter of 3 days and not give up. Like that would have broken many people. So when you see stuff like that, when you see these big wins, just know for every big win, there's usually a big loss somewhere close to it. Like they didn't start off just making 20, 30, 40, $50,000 a day. They started off in the same position you are in now, making a dollar, 20, 100, 200, $300, losing 100, then making it back the next day. But they didn't just wake up one day and become these magical traders. They started off in the same place you are in right now. So if you're seeing these people get these great results, and it's hard not to see because everybody posts their results on Instagram and everywhere else, and it's cool because they worked hard to get these results. But don't get caught up in like, oh man, he killed it today and I had a mediocre day, or he killed it today and I didn't even buy anything today, because you'll come back with FOMO and they'll end up revenge trading. And why are you revenge trading? You didn't even do anything wrong. So just don't compare yourself to these guys. You can look at their results and see the processes and the steps that they take because you can learn from them. But don't compare the amount of money you're making to the amount of money they're making because they've been doing this a lot longer. They've been through the emotional roller coaster that you're probably going through right now. They still have emotional days. I'm sure of it. Ross has them all the time. Umar doesn't post his results as much as Ross does live, so it's hard to see his emotions, but I'm sure he has emotional days. And just like imagine you have your best trading day ever. You say it's a $500 day. And you're super excited. You close your position. You telling everybody, man, you're super happy. And then you get on the internet and you see somebody trade the same ticker you did, and they had a $100,000 day. You'd be like, man, you'll be super discouraged. You'll feel sad, even though this is the best day you ever had. They just deflated you like that because you've seen somebody do better than you. But you have to remember they've probably been doing it longer. They have more capital. They have a bigger risk tolerance. So there's a lot to go into it. So I recommend you look at trading like a game. Like each day, as long as you have money in your account, you get to come, you get to play the game again the next day, Monday through Friday, obviously. But don't get caught up on, oh man, I didn't make as much as I wanted to make today, or oh man, I didn't make as much as Umar or Ross today, or Steven Dux or whoever you look up to. Or I think it's one new trader I started following called Aristotle. But don't get caught up in, oh man, they're killing it and I'm only making 20, 30, $40 a day. Because if you look at it like it's a game, you know, the more you play the game, the better you get, and the better you get, the harder the levels get. So they experience things that you couldn't even imagine yet, like risk tolerance, like, you know, one tiny tick on a computer screen to them is a $20,000-$30,000 loss, or they down $20,000-$30,000. A tick to you might be, oh man, I'm down $5. There's a big difference. So they have the mental fortitude to actually be able to handle those losses, handle those trades without being nervous, and cut their losses and trade the process that they come up with, trade the plan. But you might not be there yet. So take this time to focus on the process, enjoy the journey, and build the skills that you need. So when you do get to that level, you're ready, because if you put in the time and put in the work, your time will come. And when you get there, you want to be ready. Proper preparation prevents poor performance. I'm a really big believer in that. So if you work on being prepared, when your moment comes, you'll be ready. So I know the holidays are coming and you see people posting these massive days and big results and these nice new things they're buying. And I just wanted to let you know, don't compare your life or your trading to them. Love the process, trust it, keep putting in the work and try to become better every day at whatever you do. So happy holidays. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. If you want to know the trading strategies that we use at the BOB team, we have there's a link in the bottom of this description that'll take you to our website where you can purchase our course for $50. It walks you through the process that we've used to find stocks and the steps we use to trade them properly, or how we trade them. You might not like how to trade. You might not want to trade how we trade, but there's a link in the bottom of the description. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays, guys.